Hey everybody, it's Liz from As You Wish Pottery, and today I'm here to share with you guys all the reasons why we love Gare's Fun Strokes.
Hello everybody, how are you? I'm Robin.
I'm Julie.
And we have on the pot in Salina, Kansas. We're two chicks in a brush. And
been around for 19 years.
A really long time. It's crazy.
We're not that old. We opened when we were 4.
We're just babies. Anyway, we are coming to you for just 2 minutes because we want to talk about Gare glazes and how much we love them.
Some of the reasons we love Fun Strokes is for the bright, beautiful, vibrant colors that it offers, the coverage, how user-friendly it is for our customers, and the gorgeous results it yields once the project has been fired.
So first, we love light over dark. That's like one of our very favorite
things. It goes
things.
on like butter.
Like butter.
It goes on so
I love their glazes. They're so vibrant. They
You
go
guys.
on so nicely. Like I
Light
love
over dark.
that.
I'm just saying.
Look
This
at
is
this girl.
Happy Trails brown. It's the darkest brown you can have. And these are light colors right on top, and they're delicious.
Amazing. Yeah, it looks so cool.
My name is Rachel and I own the Paint It Yourself Pottery Company in Cheltenham, England, UK. I love the range of colours and I love the brightness of the colours. They're so vivid and they really work brilliantly to prove to all my customers that there is truly magic in the kiln.
Hi, I'm Kelly and this is Stacy, and we are owners of You Paint Pottery in Indianapolis, Indiana. We have found ourselves filling a lot of paint cups. One of the things we love most about Fun Strokes is the way that it flows out of the bottle and that we can get every last drop. It really saves a lot of time as well as money when doing the to-go kits and the paint cups.
This is our very favorite thing. Do you guys see this? We turned this bottle upside down like, I don't know, 30 minutes ago, and it's completely drained to the bottom.
All that glaze can go right into another bottle.
I love it. It's my favorite thing about Gare glazes.
I love it when people on chat are like, what color should I carry? I'm like,
All the colors.
oh, we have all the colors.
But look at this one. That's lizard lime.
It's
It's the best.
I love it.
I love it.
Hi, I'm Erin Rassiopi. I own 6 Paint Your Own Pottery studios and carry Fun Strokes.
We love that this color line is called Fun Strokes because fun is a huge part of the As You Wish brand. So being able to carry a color line that supports our brand values and helps us offer another element of fun to our customers is so awesome.
Gare has glazes and pottery that
And
they
you guys,
do.
Did you know they make their glaze right there?
And
When you
there's
take the Tua.
the other thing that I really love about Gare glazes is there are 75 colors. One more thing that I really, really love is that they overfill the bottles. So even though it says 8 ounces or 16 ounces on the bottle, there's extra. Like because you know what I am? Extra. I love a little extra. It's the best part, right?
We love working with Gare. We think the people there are magical and amazing. We always receive excellent customer service from them and truly believe that they sell a top-notch product.
Oh, one last thing, you guys. I also know that they do a program where they'll help you switch out, which is so freaking awesome. And so if you don't know about that, contact your TSR at Gare.
They're all great.
Call Susan or call Kim or call Jen or call anybody and they'll take care of you. Oh, one last thing. I totally forgot about this thing.
One more thing. Just the one more thing?
Probably 12. Anyway, but one more thing is that they have a person on site, Jeff. Jeff is the technical guy. He knows
He's way
everything.
He's way too smart.
He is.
He's so smart.
But when you have problems, if there's an issue,
Figures it out.
he figures out what's wrong. And the cool part is they literally just walk across the parking lot and go talk to him.
Yeah.
For real, friends. Gare's our favorite. And if you have questions or you want to play around, you know,
Call him.
Call
Give
Gare.
him a ringy dingy.
One ringy-dingy.
You get to listen to them talk to you in their Boston accent.
It's the best.
super fun.
It's really fun. Anyway,
Yeah.
Robin and Julie, we love you. We'll be back to talk to you more. I hope you're all doing well. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.